What is a firewall? A firewall is a network security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined security rules. A firewall can be hardware, software, or a combination of both. A firewall can prevent unauthorized access, data theft, malware attacks, and other threats from reaching your network or device. There are different types of firewalls depending on how they operate and where they are deployed. Some common types are packet filtering firewall. This type of firewall examines the packets of data that travel through the network and allows or blocks them based on the source and destination addresses, ports, and protocols. This is the simplest and fastest type of firewall, but it doesn't inspect the content or state of the packets. A stateful inspection firewall is one that also checks the source and destination addresses, ports, and protocols of the packet, but also keeps track of the state and context of the connections. This means that it can recognize if a packet belongs to an existing or a new connection and apply different rules accordingly. This type of firewall is more secure and flexible than packet filtering, but it also requires more resources and processing power. Another type is an application level gateway. This type of firewall operates at the application layer of the network and inspects the content and behavior of the packets. It can identify and block specific applications, commands, or functions that are malicious or unwanted. For example, it can block a web browser from accessing a certain website or prevent an email client from sending an attachment. This type of firewall is the most secure and granular, but also has the highest overhead and latency. Next generation firewall, or NGFW. This type of firewall combines the features of stateful inspection and application level gateway and adds additional capabilities such as intrusion prevention, antivirus, URL filtering, and threat intelligence. A NGFW can detect and prevent advanced and sophisticated attacks such as ransomware, botnets, and zero-day exploits. A NGFW can also integrate with cloud and virtual environments and provide centralized management and visibility. Here in this diagram, we see a hardware firewall that protects the internal network from the internet. So we can program rules that will determine what type of traffic can flow on both directions and prevent unwanted traffic from coming into our network, and also prevent things like email sending attachments or the access to specific websites.